passing values between functions. The functions that we have used so far haven't been very flexible. We call them and they do what they are designed to do. So until we learned functions, but they were not that much flexible. The mechanism used to convey information to the function is argument. So argument is used for conveying information to a function. You have unknowingly used the arguments, so you have unknowingly used these arguments until now in printf function and scanf functions. So these arguments are also included in printf and scanf functions. The formal string and list of variables used inside parentheses in these functions are argument. So formal strings which are used in these functions are arguments. The arguments are sometimes called as parameters. So these arguments, so these are formal strings and list of variables, formal strings and list of variables which are used in inside parentheses are arguments. Now these arguments are also called as parameters. Consider the following program. In this program main, we receive the values of a, b and c through keyboard and the output the sum of abc. However, the calculation of sum is done in different functions called calsum. So in this program the sum of a plus b plus c is done, and it is done in a different function called as calsum. So calsum is a function which is used for performing sum of a, b and c, these three integers. So let us discuss about this program. Sending and receiving values between functions. First is main. So this is a compulsory function which is used in every program. Int a comma b comma c comma sum. So a, b, c and sum are integers. Now printf /n enter any three numbers. So we are telling user to enter any three numbers. Now scanf %d %d comma and ampersand a ampersand b ampersand c. So we are telling user compiler. Now we are telling compiler to scan these three integers. Now here comes the sum part, that is sum is equal to calsum a comma b comma c. So calsum is a function which we will write after completion of this program. So sum is equal to calsum abc printf /n. So /n is used for writing on a different next line. Sum is equal to %d comma sum, and then program is complete. Now calsum is a function which we will write separately. So let us discuss about calsum. Now calsum x comma y comma z int. So this is a function called calsum. Now int x comma y comma z. Now int d is equal to int d, then d is equal to, so int d means d is also an integer. Now d is equal to x plus y plus z semicolon. Now return d. Now that means return to d. Now output. So here we have completed the function part, that is calsum x comma y comma z int x comma y comma z. Now d is equal to x plus y plus z, return to d. Now output of this program is enter any three numbers 10 20 30. So here we are entering three numbers and sum is 60. So here it is basically the function usage of functions. This program is about usage of functions and how this calsum function is used inside this sum part.